Namaskaram, I'm Rupen Suchak. I am a volunteer at Tisha Foundation, and yes, me and my entire team from Mumbai of about 52 people this time have come to execute this beautiful canvas that you see right behind me. It's an inspired setup of Kashi that sort of is warm, inclusive. It's real in the sense how we perceive Kashi as, and yeah, when the inspiration is derived from the oldest city on the planet as we know of, I think we as designers could not hold back to create something for the master right there.
We have a connect with Kashi and Tamil Nadu. Recently, the central government also made the initiative of doing Kashi Tamil Sangam there in Kashi. And how all these things are helped, and what was your particular thing which you found out, and what was the favorite part of this?
For me, the favorite part of creating Kashi was, you don't get to create cities like that. The most beautiful part of creating a stage of this magnitude, which is today per se we can say the biggest show on the planet, we don't really get to create cities very easily. Last year we tried doing some flowers and stuff. We're trying to grow slowly. This is our second year to execute something of this scale. I do not know about what you mentioned about Kashi and Tamil Nadu. I have no idea about it because I am myself out of Mumbai. This is just how do you say, this is almost like this is our devotion towards Sadhguru and our seva towards everything that happens here. So as a team we've come together to put together this magnitude of work.
And how's the execution part? I mean, was there any inputs given by Sadhguruji?
Absolutely. We met Sadhguru, and he was the one who guided us to take it forward as Kashi, and he said that it would be lovely to create a canvas for Shiva because Shiva is Kashi for us, and that's something that we relate directly to him. Here it is Adi Yogi, as you see behind me, sitting right around Kashi, and as if he's sitting in the middle of the city. So that's per se what we're trying to do, and that's what we've executed right here.
How's the strength of how much person is contributed here, and how much days it took?
We took about a month and a half to execute this in chunks. I was in and out. We have a team of about 7-8 people right here stationed, and about a team of 42 people, including of different departments, carpenters, welders, who've come from Mumbai to execute from all stratas of the society. And it's beautiful to see all of them come together and put this wonderful stage together.
Are we waiting for tomorrow's?
Yes, we wish you a very happy Mahashivratri and have a beautiful time here.
Thank you.
मंदिर से बात करें और राजन से आपसे बात करें, जस्ट चेकिंग कलर।